Hey everybody, I'm here today to answer the simple question of what do GFCI receptacles do? In this video, I will be giving you a full explanation for this. This is known as a GFCI receptacle or a GFI outlet, okay? They kind of use those terms interchangeably depending on where you live. And they do a specific thing, which is why you find them very commonly in specific areas inside and outside of your home. So I'm going to tell you exactly what they do and how they work. So first of all, where will you find them? You're going to find them in any area that might encounter moisture. So as you can see right here, I am in a bathroom, and because in a bathroom we are near a sink, okay, it might encounter moisture. That's why we have this GFCI receptacle right over here, ground fault circuit interceptor. That's what it stands for, just to be clear, okay? And GFI, ground fault interceptor, okay? So sometimes they leave out the circuit part of within the wording, okay? So you'll also find them outside, because outside of your home it can rain and that leads to moisture. You're also going to find them in a kitchen, because in a kitchen you're going to be beside a sink near water and moisture, and then sometimes even in laundry rooms, because there's going to be a washing machine and potentially a sink there as well. So how does it work? Well, a GFCI essentially will cut off the power if the appliance that you're using that is plugged into the GFCI encounters any water, okay? It should. That's how they work in an ideal situation. So if your GFCI is functioning properly, that's how it should work, just to be clear, okay? You know, that's how it should function, okay? So let's say you're using a hairdryer here, and that hairdryer encounters water. The GFCI is going to sense the difference in current, and then usually within a very fast amount of time, sometimes within a 1/10 of a second, it's going to cut off that power to hopefully prevent electrocution. Now, like I said, this is how they're supposed to work in an ideal situation. With a GFCI, there's actually a line and a load sort of behind it. You can't see it because the wall's here, but behind it there's a line and a load. And essentially, every outlet after the GFCI, if it's wired in after the GFCI, will be protected as well. So let's say you have a wire powering the GFCI, and then you have another wire going to another outlet right over here. This outlet would be protected from the same type of current change, okay, from the same type of moisture as well. And how it works is very simple. There is a mechanism in here that immediately, you know, for the most part, basically immediately, so almost immediately cuts off power. And what happens is you can test it and reset it as well. That's why there's these buttons over there to make sure that it's working, and you should be testing it on a regular basis. So that's how it works essentially. It senses the difference in current. And when it senses the difference in current, it knows that moisture or water is potentially touching the appliance that you're using, whatever it is that's plugged in to the GFCI receptacle. And then it cuts off the power as soon as it can. Like I said, really quickly, oftentimes within 1/10 of a second. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.